Where's the apple? Where's the moon? Very good. Where is the short? Where's the orange? Very good. Ito isa naman. Oh. Oh, wow. Short. Oh, dito naman. Where is the eggplant? Where's the leaf? Very good. Isa pa. Oh, dito ka. Oh. Diyan. Where is the gift? Where is the pencil? Very good. Where's the box? Where's the ball? Very good. Where's the envelope? Where's the pillow? Wow. Where's the pillow? How about the flowers? Where's the flowers? Where's the flowers? Where's the flowers? Ah, dito naman. Iba. Where's the balloon? Oh, very good. Dito naman. Mommy will give you. Ice cream naman. Look at here. Where's the ice cream? Mommy will give you. Sarap. Mommy will find. Here. Here. Wow, very good. This one. Where's the apple? Where's the apple? Where's the apple? Where's the ant? Very good. Where's the ball? Where's the basket? Where's the bat? That is a bib. Where's the bat? Where's the bib? Very good. Dito. Artist. Where's the artist? A. That is A. This one. Where's the pussycat? Where's the cake? Where's the candy? Where's the cup? Mommy will give you. Dami. Mommy will eat. Where is the dog? Where's the door? Very good. Where's the eggplant again? Eggplant. Where's the elephant? Where's the envelope? Where's the egg? Very good. Where's the fox? Where's the fur? Where's the fun? Where's the fins? Very good. Where's the goose? The duck? Where's the guava? Where's the grass? Where's the goat? Very good. Where's the mommy and the baby were hugging? Where? Hug. Very good. Where's the igloo? Where's the eggroot? Where's the ink? Where's the insect? Very good. Where's the jackfruit? No, that is orange and juice. Jackfruit. Wow, that is a jacket. Jacket. About the key, where's the key? Key. Where's the key?